Imagine waking up one day to find your dollars are no longer valuable. Sounds like a nightmare, right? But here's the twist. There's a parallel financial universe where this can never happen. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency, a revolution in money that's empowering people to escape financial instability and build real wealth. But here's the catch. If you don't act now, you might get left behind. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Simply put, it's digital money. But unlike dollars or euros, it's not controlled by banks or governments. Imagine owning your wealth. No middlemen, no barriers. It's decentralized, meaning it operates on a network of computers instead of relying on a single authority. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos use blockchain technology, a secure digital ledger that tracks every transaction transparently. Here's something to think about. Our traditional financial system, the one you trust, isn't as safe as you think. Banks can fail, governments can freeze accounts, and inflation eats away at your savings. Cryptocurrency offers a way to hedge against these risks. But wait, is it too good to be true? Before you start picturing yourself as the Wolf of Wall Street, let's get real. No, cryptocurrency won't magically make you rich overnight. But it does open doors to opportunities you can't ignore. Here's where it gets interesting. Unlike your bank account, where someone else is in control, cryptocurrency puts you in charge. Transactions happen peer-to-peer, and blockchain ensures transparency and security. For example, when you buy Bitcoin, it's recorded on a public ledger. This eliminates fraud. Every coin is accounted for. Think about this. People in countries with unstable currencies use crypto to protect their savings and even thrive economically. If they can do it, why not you? Investing in cryptocurrency is like joining a financial revolution. The early adopters of Bitcoin, now billionaires, once faced ridicule. Today, they're laughing all the way to their decentralized wallets. But wait, is cryptocurrency just a fad? Will it vanish like a TikTok trend? Let's dig deeper. Here's the truth. The road to crypto riches isn't smooth. Prices are volatile. One day, your portfolio is soaring. The next, it's crashing. Scammers are out there, ready to prey on beginners. But does this mean you should avoid it entirely? Absolutely not. It means you need to educate yourself, start small, and stay smart. So, is it worth it? Let me share something with you that might just change your perspective. Cryptocurrency isn't just about making money. It's about creating freedom. Imagine sending money to family overseas without paying high fees. Picture funding a startup without going through banks. Crypto gives power back to the people. It's financial democracy. The clock is ticking. Every day, big companies, from Tesla to Visa, are jumping on the crypto bandwagon. The question is, will you join the movement or watch it pass you by? Let's not be that person in 2030 saying, I could have invested in Bitcoin when it was affordable, but I bought avocado toast instead. Start small. Research. Invest what you can afford to lose. But most importantly, take action today. The financial future is being rewritten as we speak, and you have a front row seat. Are you ready to claim your spot? The choice is yours. Play it safe and stick to the old ways, or embrace the future and rewrite your financial story. Cryptocurrency isn't just the money of tomorrow, it's the opportunity of a lifetime. Encouraging viewers to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial insights.